Hi guys, short videos for the system now currently running very smoothly. This is the again I'll introduce the items here. This is a grid tie inverter. This is the sensor. Sensor is a switch. Then this is the solar charger. Solar charger, and these are some of the cutoff lah, cutoff. So towards down, I have this Maxwell. It's all Maxwell capacitors as a cushion from the solar coming in at high amps towards the batteries, and going out towards the grid tie inverter. So this cushions so the battery doesn't seize the big surge, the bigger surge. It's a bit messy. Later I explain why. And these are the two Narada 50 and 48 volts batteries, lithium batteries. So they are working fine. So I'll configure this as a master. These are the slaves. The controls are very simple. You just connect everything and don't care about anything. You don't really care about anything. So usually at night it will drain this first, the slaves first, because the masters have to be online, have to be controlling every batteries of the every slaves. So this have to be on. This will be the last to have his power being drained off. Will be the last. And again in the morning while charging, this will be the first to be charged up first. I can see the state of charge coming up faster than these slaves. Of course, he's a master. He must be on controlling everyone. So I've put masking tape because this LED is quite bright at night. So masking tape over this pots just to prevent any insects and what. It's just a common, for me it's a common practice. Stick it so that insects doesn't get in here. I don't for the 2 days. This is just 2 days. 2 days of using this lithium battery. I don't feel any heat at all. Maybe it's well cushioned by the capacitors. So now, why this cables is not inside the conduit, and the cables are a bit messy, because mainly I believe I will need another two or four batteries and furthermore more solar panels to cater for my needs. So I'll need all that equipment to be bought in, because now buying things online after COVID is quite slow. The logistics is quite slow. Sometimes I just, even if it's local, there's no logistics, so we can't even buy. So the thing is coming in slowly, and that's why I leave it in this state first. In this state first, as long as it is logically safe now, then I will slowly build a rack. That is another video. All the equipment are installed, working fine. Then I'll install, maybe I'll build a rack over here and really is to maybe cover it in PVC pipe or tubings or whatever, to protect all these things. Of course, it's not for now. This project might go on for another 6 months or a year. I'm not sure yet, because it depends on the situations. So that's a small introduction of all these things. Thank you guys. Bye bye.